From this to this. Don't forget to subscribe. Hi, in this video, I'm gonna teach you on how to gain more followers in TikTok 2025. This tutorial is easy to do, okay? So don't forget to subscribe in this YouTube channel and click the notification bell button and choose all to keep you updated on my new uploads. So let's get started. So first to do, go to TikTok app. So I'll show you first my TikTok followers. As you can see, I have 1,237 followers. That's a lot of TikTok followers, so I will teach now on how I did that, guys. First things to do, click the home in downside button. Then click search in the upside button. Now search this. And go into profile. Now click follow button. If you're done, click this back button. Click the back button again and go to home. If you're done, go to your profile. Click this following button. Now click this following button again and click follow button again. Then repeat. So that's what I did to increase my TikTok followers, guys. Just unfollow and follow that before 3 seconds only. So someone will definitely follow you. And disclaimer, guys, only up to 10 unfollow and follow. If you exceed 10 repeats of unfollowing and following, you will cannot be follow again on TikTok for 8 hours like this. So you can repeat it up to 10 times only, okay? So if you have reached 10 times unfollow and follow, the next thing you should do to increase your followers on TikTok is click the back in the upside button. Go to home, click the search in the upside button and search this. Now choose any video. Then click the comment button. Now heart all comment. Heart every comment if you can. Then many followers will explode on your notification. Trust me. And by the way, guys, you can switch to any video and go to the comment section and heart all comment again, okay? If you are tired of hearting a comment, just go back to your TikTok profile, go to the following button and repeat the steps. Just unfollow and follow this for 10 times only. Then just wait for a few hours and your followers on TikTok will increase. Okay, so that's on how to gain more followers in your TikTok account, guys. Just work hard and you will achieve the number of TikTok followers you want. So let's check my followers and let's check my notification. Watch this. So that's for all in this video, guys. Hope you like this and give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.